Hi guys, and welcome back on our Kubay Design YouTube channel. Today we'll show you our 8th project here in our Kubay Design workshop. That's G63 AMG 2021 Plus. As you can see, it's almost new, and today in one time we are doing our 6x6 project in our box. So let's begin. As initially on our G-wagon we have a G63 AMG body kit already installed, we'll remove it with the Brabus Widestar kit, of course with the carbon fiber insertions. Exceptionally, the front logo we'll use only via ABS plastic for Distronic radar sensor for its proper work. And for sure, you've initiated the red fangs and the red insertions all over the Widestar kit. It will be the Brabus Rocket 900. It contains the front, the rear, front and rear bumper diffusers with all its fangs. Don't pay high attention to this because it's only pre-marketable outgoing fangs. Will be removed with the carbon ones. The flaps, red signed, the Brabus Rocket front grille insertion. There should be mounted 2 red signs all over here. 2 words about that. For the proper installation, we need to remove here and here the fangs in the grille. So you can see we have here disturbing in the front grille the honeycombs. The horizontal billets should be cut off. And then the inner mounting. As we can see here, we have a camera and the badge, so it should be cut off here. Let's continue with the side widens. It's plastic and it should be painted and of course fitted to the car. After that, we make carbon insertions fitted here, and these carbon insertions will be painted to match this red color as in Brabus Rocket. So would be mounted here, and of course the LED illuminated LED logo. You may check equality here on the video. The final video, when we will install it, we will show you on how it works while it's connected with the 12 voltage source. And these are our ABS plastic Widestar front and rear bumper. Of course not painted yet because we'll need to fit it on the car for 100% perfect fitment, and then we install when the bumpers are already mounted on the car, the carbon fiber parts, because you know the ABS plastic is flexible, and for the proper installation we need everything to be fitted for 100%. There should be LED lights with the front diffuser Brabus Rocket, and for the rear. It's not very comfortable for now to show everything fitted, and the whole process of installation we'll show you on the next videos. That means of exterior. As end of interior, these are aluminum metallic polished LED door seals. It's taped with the Brabus. We'll remove the AMG original one with this one to match the whole concept of the car. You can see it's same measure and same color and same quality. As you know, the rear Brabus Rocket roof spoiler differs from this. This is original Brabus rear spoiler. These side fangs will be colored in red, just to match the overall conception. Just our customer denied to make the rear roof spoiler in the Brabus Rocket style, but he had already installed the hood scoop, the Brabus style, and such little things in the modification of carbon side marker corners. So I hope you liked our video. That's our another project, just thanks to our customers' reliable feedbacks. Hope you stay tuned, watch our videos, subscribe our channel, make your comments. See ya.